So now go ahead and bring yourself down to the ground in a very comfortable lying position. Bolster under your knees if you like. And just make yourself supremely comfortable. And now close your eyes and quiet your mind. Be still. And let go of all thoughts, worry, and tension. Give yourself fully to a higher power. Relax, trust, and let go. And now breathe in fully and exhale with a deep sigh. And again, breathe in fully and exhale even deeper now. Letting go even more. And feel a deep sense of contentment and peace in your heart. And now allow yourself to receive the following intention as I repeat it. And let your whole body listen to what I say. I release all external pressures so that my body can restore its balance. And feel yourself in a place you like to be. A place where you feel peaceful and calm, relaxed and quiet, and no concerns about the future or the past. Just simply an overwhelming experience of the rightness of things. Perhaps sitting on a beach, watching waves meet the shore, the scent of salt in the air, and the sound of seagulls. Just trust whatever image arises in your awareness. Surrender the weight of your body, completely supported. No effort or no need to hold yourself up. Just breathe in the scent, the sight, and the sounds of this place. And let the whole experience permeate your entire being. Absorbed into each and every cell with each breath in and each breath out. And feeling through bodily sensations what it's like to be safe and at peace. Surrounded, protected in this place where you can deeply rest. And feel how restful and calm you are. Feeling more content, relaxed, and more grounded than ever before. Know that you can return to this safe place anytime you want and anytime you need. And now we will move our attention into the body to release trapped energy and move deeper into total relaxation. And those with cardiac disease, hypertension, glaucoma should use caution. If you cannot have undue pressure in the head for any reason, it's important that you breathe normally as you tense the body. And now as you inhale, make fists and deliberately induce stiffness and tension throughout your shoulders, arms, and fists. Tighten, tighten, even more. And now let go completely and relax. And on your next exhalation, see if you can't relax even more. Just let go. Observe and feel that flood of energy in your arms. And now this time as you inhale, deliberately induce stiffness and tension in the hips, legs, and feet. Tighten, tighten, hold, hold. And now let go. Let go completely, relaxing even more. Just observe that flood of energy once again now in your legs. And now this time, tighten and tense the entire body as you inhale, arms, hands, shoulders, feet, legs, face, buttocks. Tighten, tighten, hold. And now let go completely. And relax again. And on the next exhalation, let go even more. Observe and feel that flood of energy extending to all the muscles, nerves, and cells of the entire body. Just let your whole body melt into that flood of energy. Just let your body go limp, relaxing even more. Just letting go of any holding anywhere. Now as we enter this next phase of Yoga Nidra, remain as motionless as possible. If you need to move or make an adjustment, just do so mindfully, and then return back to stillness as soon as you're able to. Just resolve to remain awake, staying in touch with the sound of my voice. Allow your entire body to respond to my words directly and non-mentally. Allow any disturbances, whether external or internal, to draw you more deeply within. In Yoga Nidra, you enter the subconscious energy field. And let your mind merge and melt into the energy body and go beyond the boundaries of body and mind. And shift away from the thinking and doing into the feeling and being. And do absolutely nothing from now on. Just simply relax. Drop into the deepest state of stillness. And now bring your breath into awareness. Become aware of your natural breath pattern without trying to control or change it. Just watch and observe the movement. And you may find the breath to be fast or slow. Whatever is happening, just simply relax and witness. Just watch the breath. Remain connected to every breath in and every breath out. And now drop into that silent space where all the doing stops. Now allow yourself to respond directly and non-mentally as we move the attention through different parts of the body. Allow your attention to move without effort or strain. Bringing your attention now to the brow center, to the pit of the throat, the right shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, pit of the throat, middle of the chest, navel point, middle of the chest. And now gather all of your attention back to the brow center and just observe the stillness. And now bring your attention to the center between the eyebrows and just drop into the deepest level of relaxation. Here there remains nothing to do or achieve. This is where you've now entered the domain of grace. Just release, relax, and feel. And now begin to become aware of the rising and falling of the breath. Slowly feel yourself beginning to rise to the surface of awareness. Just sense the body resting on the floor, just bringing yourself back once again into your body. Bending the knees, bringing them into the chest if that's available. And now just taking your time, bringing yourself gently and slowly back up to a seated position. Just taking your time. And now just gently and slowly, when you feel ready, you can gradually open your eyes.